Parang fresh eh. Ay, hindi ko pwede.
Ay, nakita mo pala ako box, no?
Oo. Eh, ba't ka na mas nila?
Ayaw ko niyan. Ayaw ko.
Ayaw mo na?
Gupit lang ako yung naman.
Di ba, ay, sure.
Tingnan mo naman, ang ganda ng sinahan ko.
Di sabi ko kasi sa Waterview. Eh, punta kami maaga.
Kasi nag-ano ko box, reservation online. Tinatanong ko.
Ito naman namin. Tingnan mo, buti binigyan tayo, huli na.
Anong masasabi mo sa birthday boy?
Happy birthday, Bugs!
Ano? What are you gonna say to your birthday boy?
Hi, Bugs! Happy birthday! My wish for you is keep laughing. You have to be always what do you call that one? Jolly jolly. You know, jolly jolly. Same as your name. You're Bugsy. You're, you know, cute but terrible. Okay. Hi, Bugsy. Happy birthday. Stay healthy. Yes, that's the main thing. And then, God bless.
Always.
Hi. Keep smiling and keep the marriage intact. I will say kang ninang, bawiin nyo ng ninang. 15 years.
Alright,
Hi vlogs, wish you all the best. More celebrations to come with the group. Keep the love burning all the time. Happy lang.
Okay, then.
The pressure is on.
Okay, then.
Pwede mo ng green joke yan.
Our youngest. Hi, Pogs! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best.
Itong virgin sa lahat.
Never been done.
Continue.
What other?
Pwede naman niya panuhin.
Ano yung Tagalogin mo? Hindi, English kasi
More to
kanina.
come and stay healthy.
Thank you.
Stay healthy.
Daisy.
Happy.
Okay, thank you to all my kabarkad. Stay younger and healthy. More prosperity and abundance. And good health. Wow.
Age is just a number.
Sinong kasama ni natin? Kamatid niya yun? Parang kayo sana. Kamatid ng bahay doon.
May speaker.